Good day, Growsmarters, and welcome to another English lesson with me, Mr. van der Ros. Our lesson today comes from the third edition of the Growsmart newspaper on page number 3. And today we are going to do something that you are quite familiar with, idioms. And by now I am pretty sure you know what an idiom is. An idiom is a word or phrase that is different from its literal meaning. Our idioms that we're going to look at today has to do with numbers. Let's look at page number 3, titled The Number Game. Let's look how smart you are by looking at a few random examples of the number idioms. Let's look at example number 2. Talk 19 to the dozen. What is that matched with, and what does it possibly mean? Well, you guessed right. It is definitely matched with the letter G. What does it mean to speak very quickly? Let's look at another example. Number 5. To be on cloud 9. What does that possibly mean, and which letter would it be matched with? It is definitely matched with the letter A, and that means to be extremely happy. I know you are happy watching this video. Our next example is number 3, the third degree. What does that possibly mean? And which letter would it be matched with? You guessed right, it is definitely matched with the letter B, a close interrogation. Our last example that we're going to look at is number 6, to take 40 winks. What does that mean? And which letter would that be matched with? You guessed right, it is definitely matched with the letter J, to take naps for short periods of time. Your job is to head on over to page number 3 of the third edition 2022 Growsmart newspaper and see whether you can match the correct idiom with the correct meaning. Until next time, thank you for watching and continue growing smart.